All right, everybody. We've got Hostess Box 2012 Elite Extra Edition. Purchase at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. What? That's true. You heard it here first. Blowout Cards. They've actually got these on a really nice deal right now. I think they're like, what, $90 a box or something like that? My LCS, I think they're, well, they were before they sold out. They were like $125. So, wow, look at you. First pack, Byron Buxton on-card auto. Nice job, buddy. That's out of $5.99. Byron Buxton. Very nice. Blowout Cards. Get your Byron Buxtons there. Nice hit, pal. Very nice hit. Maybe we got a hot box of Byron Buxton. All right, Clint Coulter. I don't know who the hell that is, but he was on that card right there. Got a blue. Nice. First round draft pick, right? Yeah. Valentine. 12 of 50 on the Valentine for the Dodgers. LA Dodgers. Blue die cut Valentine. Dude, you're killing it. 3 packs in, it's already better than most boxes. Tyler Gonzalez out of 151, which is a pretty damn near a short print for Elite Extra Edition. Tyler Gonzalez auto out of 151. I know it'll show the damn number if I can get it right. There you are. 151. Let's see, what round? First round. I did not know that. Toronto Blue Jays, first rounder. You know what would make this break right now? If you hit Damien, what was that guy's name? Come on, guys, help me out. Damien Magnifico. Yeah. Get a Damien Magnifico. If you do that, dude, this box will go into the epic box breaks of coolness forever. I'm just going to go out there and say it. I'm also going to say this is probably a hot box. This is your 4th auto. On-card auto at a 478. It is Tyler Wagner for the Brewers. Tyler Wagner. 4th round draft pick. What? 4th round? Dude, you're such a slacker with your 4th rounder. What? Alright, what you got here? What you got? You got Daniel Robertson for the A's. 21 of 25. It's not an auto, but that is pretty rare. And you want to know something else about Daniel Robertson? Yeah, he was drafted in the 1st round. First round draft pick, Daniel Robinson. Nice card, bud. Yes, that's right. Magnifico. Damien Magnifico. Oh, dude. Nice hit. Richie Schaefer, on-card auto out of 722. I hear he's good. He is a first-round draft pick for the Rays. I think he could be somebody. I don't know. Personally, I mean, I got no invested interest in him at all. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Just saying, pal. Kyle Zimmer. Alex Yarbrough out of 200 for the, is he the Angels? Let me see. Yep, the, I don't know. 4th rounder anyway. 4th rounder on the Yarbrough. Let's see what Dr. Green's talking about here. Felipe Perez out of 799. Felipe Perez. Free agent. Technically, first rounder. Technically, I mean, he's a free agent, so you know, that's just like the first rounder. We did last year. We have, you know, it depends on what we trade. Logan Vick, we lost so many guys from the bullpen. That's how we got so many first rounders this time. A lot of them were supplementals. Just we can't afford to keep our guys. Although we did lock in our third baseman, I'm afraid we're going to lose David Price. Alex Murrin, the guy from Beavis and Butthead. You said Beavis. Alex Murrin. He's not a first rounder. He was 12th rounder. 12th round. Whole lot of not much in there. Zach Isler for the White Sox. 8th round draft pick for the Zach Isler. All right, 2 packs left, buddy. All right, last pack. Last pack, Mojo. Got Brandon Quap out of 200 and Carlos Correa. One thing about the Correa, he's a first round draft pick. He's the overall first round draft pick. Carlos Correa. All right, bud, that was a nice box. Let's see how many autos you got though. Let's see if it was indeed a hot box. I think it was. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 autos. It was not a hot box. It was just a really, really good unhot box. Byron Buxton. Looks like he's got some ink all the way up there at the top there. Still. Byron Buxton on card. Nice break, buddy. Inscription.